up, right?
That's what we're talking about. How are you, Jared? Good to have you here.
Good to see you, buddy. How are you? So look at it. Yeah. Just kind of brood them around here. Oh,
what do you have here? What's the?
Oh, the ducks.
Are they any particular type of duck?
Yeah, the mallard ducks. Here,
How are you supposed to squeeze it?
Yeah, don't squeeze them. If you squeeze them too hard, then they'll just.
And these are mallard ducks. What? Oh. But doing something great with the ducks.
Yeah,
to save a duck.
Now these are just like average ducks. These are actually like ducks that you'd find in the wild. See my beaver. This thing's amazing. Here,
you guys should see my beaver.
Here, look at that. Paulie, come here. Here, Paulie.
It is New York City.
It is. Look at this. This is one of the greatest beavers I've ever seen. I mean, come over here and check them out.
Yes, it's lovely.
Here, Paulie, feed them.
And what's the deal with the beaver? They make dams, canals, they build structures?
Yeah, well, they build all... Well, yeah, they're like little engineers. I mean, beavers, they're important because what they do is not only do they...
they're little engineers.
They're little engineers. And look at that tail. They use that actually as a tool for smacking things. And if they're really mad at you, they'll hit you right in the face with it.
Really?
Yeah, and bite. They actually have teeth that always grow all the time, so if they don't eat anything...
So if you were to get bitten by a beaver, what would you catch?
You can beaver fever.
Beaver fever?
Yeah, beaver fever. So
I've had that a couple times.
You can actually
I'm sure you have.
I think we shared that.
Yeah, it was an awful itch, but there was like a taste or something for it.
It's itchy.
Is there anything to do with, you know, our event is Beaver, Utah?
Beaver, Utah. Well,
does that have anything to do with Beaver? I know.
You've been to Beaver, Utah before?
Yeah, that's what I just said.
You've been there before?
Yes, I've been there.
Did you see any beavers?
No.
Well, that's where they're from. There are beavers all over Beaver,
really?
Utah.
Okay.
I mean, I'm assuming.
Where did you bring this particular beaver?
It's like Intercourse, Pennsylvania. What?
Okay.
Where did you bring this particular beaver from?
This beaver actually was from, not from Beaver, Utah. This is a Georgian beaver, though.
Shouldn't it be in water? Does it like to be in water?
It likes to be in water, but as long as you give it bread, it doesn't have to be in water.
Can it hold its breath?
What's that? It can hold its breath, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, they can actually hold its breath for a while, and they're just incredible. Now, look at this. This is awesome. This is another water animal.
Look at that up right here.
Wow, look at this guy.
Yeah, look at this one.
Oh, you can hold that one.
No, I'm not holding that one. Wow. Why does he on after this? Are we out of time, really? We don't have time for one more? All right.
That's it.
Jared, thanks so much, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Jared Miller, everybody. I'm Paulie Shore. We'll be right back with G-Love right after this.